Welcome. We're going to answer this question before us. It asks us to convert 225 degrees to radians. There are a couple of different ways to do this, but the most straightforward one is to go 225 times pi on 180. So by timesing this by pi on 180, we can get it into radians. Once you've done this, you then want to simplify. So what is something that goes into both 225 and 180? Well, how about 5? That will leave me with 36 here. How many times does 5 go into 225? Well, 5 goes into 22 4 times. I then have 2 left over. So how many times does 5 go into 25? It goes in 45 times. Now, I see both 45 and 36 there. I know that both of those can be divided by 9. So this will become 5 and this will become 4. So that means my final answer here is going to be 5 pi on 4. Now, let's talk about a couple of different ways we could have approached this. As you can see here, we had to simplify twice, which means we could have done it more efficiently just by dividing by the highest common factor of 45. But if you didn't recognize that the highest common factor of 45 was for 225 and 180, it's okay. As you can see, you can just do it in 2 steps. So no fuss there. Another way you could have thought about this question as well is 5 pi on 4 is one of our special angles that we know a lot about. It is in our third quadrant. So another way you could have thought about this is you could have gone, all right, I know that this is my unit circle. I know that this is 270 degrees. If I therefore go back 45 degrees, that will take me to 225. And I know that right here, this is simply going to be the same as 5 pi on 4. So that's another way of going about it. The beautiful thing about maths is there's never one right way of doing things. There are multiple ways of going about it. So you need to just be comfortable with a few of them and just be able to go about it in the most efficient way possible. Hopefully you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.